Lithium-ion and lithium-polymer batteries are widely used in mobile phones due to their high energy density, lightweight nature, and relatively low self-discharge rates. However, it's important to note that battery technologies are continuously evolving, and advancements in materials and design may lead to variations in the structure and components of mobile phone batteries in the future. Is there gold in cell phone batteries? Yes, there can be small amounts of gold present in some cell phone batteries, specifically in the form of gold-plated connectors and contacts. Gold is a highly conductive and corrosion-resistant material, making it suitable for use in electronic components where reliable electrical connections are essential. In mobile phone batteries, you might find gold-plated connectors on components like the battery terminals, circuit board connectors, and various internal connectors that facilitate the flow of electricity between different parts of the phone. These connectors are often gold-plated to ensure good conductivity, prevent oxidation or corrosion, and maintain consistent performance over time. It's worth noting that the amount of gold used in these connectors is relatively small compared to the overall weight of the battery. Gold is also used in other electronic components of mobile phones, such as connectors, switches, and some integrated circuits. However, the gold content in these components is generally quite low. While gold is used in cell phone batteries and other electronics, the primary reasons for its use are its electrical properties rather than its intrinsic value. Other materials, such as copper, aluminum, and various alloys, are also extensively used in electronic components due to their conductivity, thermal properties, and cost-effectiveness. The battery casing provides physical protection and houses all the internal components. It is designed to be durable and protect the battery from external impacts and damage. Mobile phone batteries are typically built using lithium-ion or lithium-polymer technology. These batteries consist of several key components that work together to store and release electrical energy. Here's an overview of the basic structure of a mobile phone battery. The electrolyte is a conductive material that allows lithium ions to move between the cathode and anode during charge and discharge cycles. It is typically a lithium salt dissolved in a solvent, which can be a liquid or a gel-like substance. The choice of electrolyte influences the battery's safety, performance, and stability. Current collectors are thin metallic foils attached to the cathode and anode, allowing for the flow of electrical current between the electrodes and external circuit. They are typically made of materials like aluminum for the cathode and copper for the anode. I hope you like our video and useful for you. Please share and subscribe. Check out our other videos too. Thank you very much.